Hello everyone. Now that you have gone through this video on how to write a cover letter, I am sure you would be excited to make one. But before making the cover letter, let me tell you the most common mistakes that candidates make while writing and sending cover letters so that you can make your own cover letter error-free. The first mistake that is made by most candidates is having an unprofessional email ID like this or this. It does not look professional at all, right? In a professional setup, such email IDs create a very poor impression. You must never use them. Always use a professional email ID when applying for a job or an internship. So using email ID like this, first name and last name, is a good idea. The next mistake students usually make is writing an unappealing subject line for the email. Your employer or HR would not read your email if the subject line does not catch his or her attention. Often candidates use hi, resume or application for internship as a subject line, which does not stand out amongst hundreds of similar emails that the HR may receive in a day. Worse, a few candidates leave the subject line blank, or it contains spelling mistakes or SMS language, which shows your lack of sincerity in applying. So how can you write the subject line in a manner that the reader would be excited to open and read your email? Having a keyword such as the name of your institute, an indication of the stream, or a key skill in the subject line will work. The next most common mistake that candidates make is spelling mistake, grammatical errors, and using SMS language. Let's take up each of these one by one. Spelling mistakes are easy to fix. Always run a spell check before sending an email. Grammatical errors depend on how good your command of the English language is. It is always a good idea to get your cover letter reviewed by a peer or a professor whose knowledge of English can be trusted. You may also use the Grammarly plugin, about which I have spoken in this YT short. You can refer to this short. If your email contains SMS language, then you have effectively killed your chances of getting hired in that company then and there. So please do not use SMS language anywhere in your cover letter. Candidates also often tend to write everything in the uppercase or everything in the lowercase. Not following proper capitalization creates a poor impression. The next most common mistake would be leaving the email blank or using too generic or short email content. It looks like a copy-paste job. Yes, it is common for candidates to send an email with just the resume as an attachment with no content in the email. How does one expect from the employer to pay attention to such emails? If not blank, candidates write a very short or generic email, which again does not work. Remember, you are looking for an internship and it is your responsibility to make an effort to write a relevant and descriptive email. So please do not shy away from that. Also, some candidates copy and paste the email content from the internet. These emails are so easy to spot and hence equally easy to discard. Don't forget, if you can Google, then even your employer can Google them. Another very common mistake is improper greeting or signature. Always start a cover letter with a proper greetings like dear sir or dear madam or hi sir, hi ma'am. And at the end of the email, put your complete signature including your full name, your current academic status and your phone number. The last very common mistake you may end up making is uploading your cover letter as an attachment instead of writing it as an email. Do you understand why we are saying this? Well, the whole point of a cover letter is to get the reader to open another attachment, which is your resume. Sending the cover letter itself as an attachment would defeat its purpose altogether. So these are the common mistakes made by candidates while writing and sending their cover letters along with their resume. I'm sure now you would not make these mistakes and will have a great cover letter in your hand. With this, we come to the end to this video. To know how to write a cover letter, please do refer to this video. The link is in the description box. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel Intern Shala. Till then, good luck.